Hey guys, here's Louis. Well, the guys came here early in the morning, about 7 a.m. and they are marking the land where it's legal for the garage to be. They're making everything square to my house over here from your driveway. So where I'm at in Pennsylvania, you have to follow the law from the building to the street. How far is it? Thanks God my property is big enough, so that's out the way. I mean, the feet that is required from the building to the road, I'm way more than good. You still have to also respect your side property line and your back. This side being my back, you have to be like 50 feet away from that line and about 20 feet from your side. So that's what he's doing. He's making sure he's gonna square the building out the proper way, because when everything's said and done, there will be a surveyor coming to check that everything was done by the books. And I like to do everything by the books. Like that, you don't hear no bickering from nobody. So it's better to be safe than sorry, guys. I mean, this is a big investment. It doesn't cost pennies. I'm just grateful that like I said in my first video, that the Lord have blessed me, and he have told me that this year is my year to put my new bird cage. I'll keep you guys posted as the project moves along. And the digging has begun. So the digging is being done for the stone that is going to come in to cover the platform of the garage, and also going all the way to make a driveway for the garage for the birds to come in the new cage. And the digging continues. He have digged out the garage already. Now he's working on getting the driveway done. He's gonna go and follow and mate into my driveway over here. The truck has the first load of stones that's gonna go down, and this is what you're gonna be facing while doing a project and a building out in your backyard or front yard. These are the process, trying to get the ground level. Your site have to be nice and level. Then you call in your garage. I already did call my garage in because they are 2 to 4 weeks out. Hopefully it's 2 weeks, because I need my cars that are over there back in a garage. Well guys, now is the process of leveling the ground. The whole ground is going to be level. He will start putting the stones on the driveway, going all the way up to where the garage is going to be going, the new bird cage like I call it. And to repeat myself again, the steel building going up will be a 30 wide by 40 deep. We're waiting on a couple of more trucks with stone, and I'll keep you guys updated once it's here. Stone is being put down for the driveway now. And as the driveway gets filled in with the stone, there's a machine that as you can see, it goes right on top of the stone, and it packs everything nice and tight down to the ground. So the driveway of the bird cage here is going to be from there all the way to the building. And as this project is going on here at First Generation Garage, I'm enjoying a nice bar fire here, enjoying the weather. Got a little cloudy, but it's still beautiful out here. And I power wash my deck. I need to paint this starting as of tomorrow. So getting things done here before the hot weather really comes cranking in here in Pennsylvania. And guys, I just want you to know, you don't know the feeling that is going in right now in my mind, in my body, in my heart, and my soul, that this project is finally here. I'm actually gonna get the garage that I always wanted right here taking place. Now he is digging into the soil for the building that is coming over here. Louis' personal bird cage. Needs to be level out. And from here, we'll go straight to the driveway. These guys been working since 8 this morning. It's almost 5 o'clock this afternoon. They really worked hard, and I'm really happy with the results so far. Tomorrow they'll be back to finish the rest. Now the stone is going into the area where the steel building is going, and then they'll work their way back out to the driveway. So guys, I will keep you updated as the project is going day by day. Tomorrow is the second day here of the gravel work, and after this video, this is part 2, but part 3 will be when the garage have arrived and the installation will begin to Louis' new bird cage here at First Generation Garage. Take care now. Bye bye.